I Live in the City, ABC. Written by Lou Moore, illustrated by Tom O'Sullivan. A is an avenue with cars whizzing by. B is the bus with the driver up high. C is the corner where we have to wait. D is the driver, he never is late. E is the elevator stopped with a jerk. F is our father going to work. G is my grandmother I go to see. H is my home that's waiting for me. I is for it when we play hide and seek. J is the jaybird, a crumb in his beak. K is the kitchen where we like to play. L is the love that we feel every day. M is the milk that I drink with my meal. N is for nap time, then how good I feel. O is the oven that's baking some bread. P is a party where dollies are fed. Q is the quilt that covers my bed. R is my ribbon colored bright red. S is the sun peeking over the wall. T is for tiptoe to make me feel tall. U is for under the table to hide. V is my vest with stripes so wide. W is the wind that makes everything blow. X is the X when I play tic-tac-toe. Y is a yawn when I'm snuggled down tight. Z is the zoo that I dream of at night.